Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Careeraddawithsangram, with Sangram, where I will provide you some new job updates from big MNCs. So if you are a fresher or experienced graduate looking for a new job or job change, you can watch the video. For apply to the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. Please watch the entire video. I will provide you all the steps so that you can easily apply for your dream job. Also, I will provide all the job details in the video description so that you can directly redirect to the apply page from the description. Also, if you are new to this channel, I am requesting you to subscribe this channel to get latest job updates, internship updates, course details, etc. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Guys, I am in my computer screen. And as you can see, there are 3 tabs are open, and PhonePay company has announced 3 job updates for freshers and experienced graduates. Okay, so let me explain all the roles, and also I will provide all the details in the description box so that you can also check out all the links and you can apply directly. So the first update is for quality specialist role. So here the job location, it is mentioned here Bengaluru. Okay, so this is not a work from home basis job. So able to crack the job, you have to visit Bengaluru location. So here they have mentioned some details regarding PhonePay company, and as we all know, PhonePay is a big product based company, and they have mentioned the details what will be your roles and responsibilities in this role. Okay, so this part is very important. Before apply to this job, please read it carefully. Next, it is mentioned that what will be your benefits if you are able to crack the job, and this is a full-time job role. Okay, so you will get all these benefits: insurance benefit, wellness program, parental support, mobility benefits, retirement benefits, and other benefits. As we all know, it's a product-based company, so the budget is very good here. So if you are able to crack this job, you can get multiple benefits from a single company. So here, if you want to apply for this job, you can directly apply with your LinkedIn if you have a LinkedIn profile. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, you can directly fill up the form, and after that, here if you don't have any kind of experience, you can mention here not applicable. Okay, so here not applicable means freshers. Also, if you have some days and some months of experience, you can select 0 to 1. Here 0 is considered as freshers as well. Okay, so anything is fine, you can select any option here. Okay, also rotational shifts, they are providing rotational shifts. So here it should be yes. If you select it as no, your profile will be completely rejected. Okay, also they have asking some details. You have to read the form properly at first, then provide all the details and just click on the submit application button. You will get one mail from the PhonePay team, and if your profile gets shortlisted, their HR will call you or mail you for the interview process. Next update is also from PhonePay, but the job location is Kolkata. Okay, it is mentioned here Kolkata. So the audience who are watching this video from Kolkata, they can check this job. So it is a business development associate, it will be your role. So here they have provided the responsibilities as well. You have to read the responsibilities before applying to this job. Here requirement is only graduation. Okay, so there are no specialization required, any graduation is fine. Also minimum B to C sales experience of 1 year with good performance. So it is mentioned here that freshers are not eligible for this role. Okay, you should have 1 year of good performance in sales experience. So if you have the experience, then only you can apply for this job. The benefits are same, I have mentioned earlier, and I have explained all also. So the form is also there, so you have to provide the details here. Okay, like the same. And here total sales experience, it must be 1 or more than 1. Okay, if it is 0, then your profile will not be selected, so make sure it should be 1. Current CTC, you have to mention what is your current CTC, and expected, what will be the expected CTC, you can mention based on your requirement. Also they are asking you for notice period, and you have to provide the notice period also. Based on the notice period they will call you and they will take the interview as well. You have to fill all the details and you have to click on submit application. That's it. Now the third job update, the role is same, business development associate, but the area is different. It is southeast region actually. Everything is same as the last job update, is also same role. I will not explain everything about this role. So here also, if you are not from Kolkata, you are from South India or Southeast India, you can apply for this job. And here also, if you want to apply, you just need to fill up the form, or you can directly apply with LinkedIn. So these two jobs are not for freshers. This job is for freshers, so anyone can apply for this job. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.